So you've added one step to your video ask, but you want a little bit more from your respondents. Why not add a few more steps? Start off in your video asks inbox by clicking Build. You can add a step by dragging and dropping from the sidebar, by clicking on the plus sign, or by dragging and dropping the node at the end of a step. Then you can choose the footage source and an answer type. Here, you'll also be able to add a title to your step, which can come in handy to know which step is which. If you're adding a step coming from a multiple choice, NPS, voice, or live call answer type, you'll get this pop-up. This lets you add logic so that you can send people down different paths depending on how they answer the step before it. If you don't want to add logic, just select all the answer options. Keep in mind you can always change the logic later by dragging and dropping nodes or by clicking on a step and going to the Logic tab. If you want to duplicate a step, click here. And if you want to delete a step, hit the trash can button here. Stay one step ahead with VideoAsk.